All right, what's good, y'all? So basically, at this point, I'm done with the macro pad. Besides, like actually building it, and I'm gonna do that today because I don't got work today. But what I am behind on is git-stats. So that's what I'm gonna work on today. Um, Huge update. So basically, what I did is I took my losses and deleted untracked files out because that's what I was having a huge problem with because my terrible memory management. But what I'm going to do is take this time to refactor the plugin because I think I could do a lot of this stuff a more efficient way, and then just do untracked files the an easier way because I over engineered that in the first place. And then also what else? And then I have like a feature too I want to add, like being able to skip binaries and whatnot. But that's where we're at right now. Oh yeah, and I also need to get rid of memory leaks. I switched over all of my mallocs to bmalloc, which is the OBS quote unquote version of malloc. All it does is it keeps the counter of all memory you haven't freed. So I'm also going to go through that. But right now we have to think about how we want to do this. So, hey, yeah, I do need a poll, but it's whatever. So for this, let's see how we're. So the big ones are updates and tick that are really long for no reason. And what I wanted to do is I want to take tick and um make it move all of the information into a structure, right? Um, yeah, because I feel like there's no need for it to do everything here when I could just set it in tick and then render that. Although this isn't too long. Oops. But it's also not too long because of the fact that I did it. I don't have any untracked files in here. But then it also means I have to redo. Okay, so let's see what we can offload. So what we would need, I have stuff open everywhere. All right, so we can move this over here, and then projects get stats. Um, so what we would need because if we do it in a structure, that also takes out the need to check through the API all this extra stuff. Because we can handle that here. All right, so we would have this source settings. Can we can get that from, yeah, because we're given the structure. So we can get that in tick. But we shouldn't need it. So we set the font for the other one to be this. We don't have to manage any of this because we just copy them over. Overload character is already in the structure. If not, insertion enabled and deletion enabled already in there too. So what I want to have is, I feel like we can just do untracked files the same exact way we did tracked files. Let me double check that though. In the interface. Oh wait, I'll have to go to where are my Firefoxes? There it is. Actually, can I this git-stats? Yes. So if we go here and then like somewhere random, like here, and then we go to browse files and we are looking for source, interface, and it will be like add untracked files or something. Create untracked files. Oh, right. We list all the untracked files, and then we could just add them to their own little thing. I don't know why I did that with the hash note. I don't get it. Because we can also, I don't know if it's fixed or not, but yeah, we can have untracked file count or untracked files, untracked files. We should do the types here too. Int an array of strings, and then what will be next? We're fine with that. Those are tracked files. See a release. Oh, that right. That was for the singles because it's an array there. We don't have untracked files in git rebuilder, right? think we're good on that. I think. Okay. Oh, so it seems like we don't need much in the first place. We just need um we could have bools for it. And just make it a switch case statement or something. Right. So what do we need to add? Basically nothing. So in create, we need to make sure we are doing it properly. Oops. Oops. Reverse find I, and then tilde. Find I, tilde, underscore. Wait, no, this needs to be no. And then we'll do that later. This is not 8 bytes, by the way. For each Unicode, for each Unicode character, there can be two, there can be two specifiers back to back. Hence being 16. Okay, so now, maybe it's tick that we need to redo now. Because update isn't as long as I thought it was. But why is tick so long? We have our test mode, overload string, then we do the overload string, right? We should just always calculate the overload string regardless. Yeah? Am I missing something? Do we have multiple of these cases or no? We update the chart files. Yeah, we have a different case for every single thing. We shouldn't do it this way. Right? Actually, no, I think this is fine. Because it's just one for each. we just, it's only because we have to handle two sources. Okay, anyway. Wait, but set string update return. Do we update after everything? Oh no, we return here. Okay. Update the tracked files. But this shouldn't be that. This should be deletion symbol. This should be wait. Yeah. If deletion enabled in wait. We just verified that it was enabled. What? Oh, that's the entire deletion enabled. Not the symbol. I don't want to interface with the thing, I just want to quickly grab it. So I'm going to put that in here too. I don't need this anymore. Right, so... Alright. So we'll have... Actually, let me put this up here. Bool deletion symbol enabled. And then same for insertion. Right? So now here we should also do it here. So I could just copy this and then say instead of deletion properties, it's deletion symbol. And then here, we're going to replace deletion enabled with, oops, deletion symbol enabled. Yeah. And then we need the same thing for insertions. Oops. How did I go so high? Here we are. Wait, no, not properties. Oh my gosh. Wait, where did my... I'm so confused. There we are. It like disappeared from down here. Okay. What is happening? Thank you. I'll just do this, and actually no, because it would be better to copy it now. Yoink. And then all I have to do is change this to deletion symbol. And then this gets changed to deletion gets changed to insertion. Oops. Okay. So now we have that. And when we're in tick, we don't need to do the other thing anymore. Yeah, so this can just be, hey, do we have deletion symbol? If no, we do that. And then same thing for the insertion. And then we should make the default make the defaults true. Wait, why is it by default false? I guess it doesn't really matter because it'll get changed, but now I'm making this true. This should be true too. Okay. So now what else can we put in the structure, the data structure? Insertion symbol. We don't need this either. Why are we doing this twice? Oh, I see. This is insert, yeah. Okay. There it is. And that's it. Okay, so before I move on, let's test it. And then we can run OBS. Okay, so firstly, let's go to defaults, make sure everything's working properly. Yes. Actually, okay, so all that's fine, but I did change the creation, so let's go ahead and delete this and create another one. Make sure we don't crash. Bam. All the defaults are right. So let's add this as a project directory. Bam. Nice and snappy. And then this one as a single directory. Or single project or whatever. Cool. Now let's change this to 1. And then, oops. Well, actually, I don't need to test everything because all I changed was this. Which, that one's working. And then this one's working. Okay, cool. So we're good. Yeah. So that should be everything up in the this structure now. So I can call that whenever I want. Which those should have been the only times I needed to, but okay, so what is it I wanted to do next? Plugin update instantly. How do we do untracked files? Okay. So for untracked files, I feel like I should just do it like how I did the tracked files, which is just go through, get all the yeah, you get all the paths and then just slap them in an array. Okay. But before I do that, I should fix the other problems first. This includes memory leaks and plugin updating instantly. So I'm gonna do the plugin update instantly first. And that's pretty easy. We can just say, hey, global for instant update. So really it's just static bool static bool update now equals false. Or we could call it something better like force updates. So force update is only going to get called when we call updates. I lost the update already. Okay, yes, here, but we don't want to do it here. We want to do it at the end. right? And then in tick, we just add another one where it's like, or, you know, we have force update, and then force update is going to be bam. Simple as that. So now if we come over here and we say build the project, run OBS, and then set this to something dumb high, so like that, and then it shouldn't like ever update unless we update something here. So let's delete this, and it should update immediately. Boom. Awesome, awesome, awesome. And then we add it back, and it should do it again. All right, cool. So let's look at this. Where was I? Here it is. And indirectly, I think I did this too, because it's just going to update immediately, so it doesn't matter. Oops. Okay, so this. Oh yeah, another thing I needed to test was if we try to do a source and it's a text source, yeah, my sources I use within my plugin are going to show up, which I don't want happening. You can't use them, but I don't want them there. So, and this is a difference between 30 and the 29 that I was using, because that didn't happen before. Used in plugin, not show up in sources list. Okay, so firstly, let's go ahead and make sure we are getting our backups. Bro, remove source. No, it's all that. I don't want those. Alright, so what do we do so far? Oops. I hit H. Okay. Okay, so plugin make updates instance, and we also did what? Moved data, all relevant data into the data structure. All right, so now let's start banging out some of these memory leaks. So we could put that over here. Because I already ran Valgrind, so I didn't have to do it now because it takes forever. Well, I guess this is going to take forever too because it's a huge file, but... There we go. It's going to take a little bit too. All right. So what we're looking for is git-stats. That should be the process that it's under. That's going to take a while to search. But once we go through it all, it should be fun. There we go. Actually, I could full screen this real quick. Okay, I don't care about that. I did that on purpose. Use of uninitialized values of size 8. I'll leave that for now. You want the actual stuff. Possibly lost 257 and git-stats updates. Oops. Oh, shoot, I moved stuff. So, so what is this a case of? This is where we don't have anything in our like list of directories. We don't have anything in the repository directory. So we don't have anything. But we need to say, hey, if info data track paths exist, then we need to be like, we need to free it all. So we need to run one of these. And then set it to null. Cool. Actually, I should be building and running after each one of these and testing it. So this is the case where we delete everything. And we have both. So let's delete this one. And then it should delete it if I hit defaults. Excuse me. All right, we're good. And then if I add, it shouldn't have any problems either. Bam. Bam. All right, cool. We're good. What else we got? So are definitely lost when we do L to A. This is in source. Dang, I didn't know this file was that long. 546. When we do what? We use L to A. Where is that? Oh, here it is. Deletion value string. We never free this. We do free it. Is this in the wrong spot? No, it looks right. Delta A and 38. Output. Yeah, and then we free it on the outside. I don't get it. I'll figure that out later. But that should be fine. What is this? Oh, did we forget to free something and create? In 75. We never free. Oh. I think it's talking about this. It's both of them are possibly lost. Do we free them and destroy? We remove an active child. And we remove and release. Yeah, we're good. Possibly lost in defaults. Data creates. So that's this. Oh, we don't release it. Do we? No, we don't. Oh boy. Shut up. Dang. Bro! I get it. Shoot. Is create. What if we just home allocate and do that? But I think it has to stay alive. Oh wait, I'm not on 10 on this. So that might be a problem. Because I need to release it. Yeah. We'll see. 75. Current item. No, we release current item too. This is the same thing. That's it? Oh no, I think this is different. Get default string. Oh, that's what I was looking for. Hmm. Let me create 75 again. Seems like it's the same stuff over and over again. 166. What? Oh, am I stuck? Oh. That might have crashed. But anyway. So why does it... Oh wait, I need to undo this actually. I could just grab from I think I'm cooking. So instead what I could do is set this default through no, that wouldn't work. I wonder if it's persistent. I don't think it is, but if I do like define, I'm out of time, but we define default to be like, because this is how they did it in the plugin, and it worked for them, but I don't know why it's not working for me. I doubt this is gonna work, but we tried. Wait, it's XX defaults. Wait, did I release it? Yeah. Yeah, no. Alright, I'll figure that out later. Because I know I had it releasing before. I just had to figure out how. But this needs to be going. This needs to be. Actually, I'm just going to do. Because I don't remember what it's called. Okay, I think we're good. Alright, cool. Let me close this out.